Search and rescue mo daan. Lugi na. Dahil
Search and rescue.
They thought that their puppy Guts is already lost, and they searched for him for 30 minutes on the seashore, and they found it hard to walk. They thought I was drowned or I was kidnapped. Okay. So our granddaughter Alexi is famished, just like her grandmother, Mami Dins. Anyway, they enjoyed walking, no? They enjoyd walking long distance.
Hinay lang ba?
Grabe, hinay na lang. Inanon, mapadula ko liwat para may gana ka mo.
Baka ulit pa.
Papa God, I'm just eat now.
Ay, malakat na ta.
Okay.
Teka na.
What?
Okay.
Kaya kamot sa manok ma.
Namin na.